Hi, Ryan. This week, it's actually a two-part series that we want to cover with our audience. This week, we would like to cover what is a home warranty. And next week, we are going to cover what is homeowners insurance, because those are two very different things. So let's talk today, home warranty. What is it? I'll just let you go right into it today.
Yeah, I'm so glad we're covering both of these because there's confusion between the both warranty, homeowners insurance, what's covered. So home warranty today, that's what we'll talk about. And when you purchase a new home, you're given the opportunity to purchase a home warranty. During the negotiations, it could be decided that either you as the buyer or the seller could cover this. And a home warranty is really an annual plan that pays for replacements and repairs of some of the major systems and appliances in your home. It's usually an annual fee. It could be renewed each year. And from what we're seeing, the cost is usually anywhere between about $500 and $1,000, really. So every home warranty is different. So it's always great to research a couple companies, but usually there's three types of plans. There's system plans, and that covers like major home systems like your AC unit, cooling, heating, electrical, plumbing. And then there's also appliance plans, which covers things like your dishwasher, your oven, washing machines, dryers, things like that. So, and then there's combination plans, which really just covers both of those things. But, before signing up for a plan, I always recommend, to read the details about what's covered in the plan and what's not covered, usually things like swimming pools or sprinkler systems, and also like what your coverage limit is. And also, if there's issues with your property that maybe predate the start of the warranty, things that were maybe disclosed by the seller or, found in the inspection, sometimes those won't be covered. So it's really important to speak with a realtor, a great agent like Dana, and get her recommendations on a company, and then researching a few companies of your own and talking to their representatives before buying one. But ultimately, a home warranty, it's great to have when you're buying a new home. It just gives you some peace of mind after closing that if there's some unexpected issues come up, you have some coverage for that. So it's a great tool.
Absolutely. Usually, if you have your refrigerator breakdown and you need a new one, it covers itself with just
Yes.
by one payment. It's worth it. You know how expensive those things can be now. So it's worth it to get it checked out. And yes, we have some great folks that we refer business to. So if you guys have any questions, just reach out, let us know. And thank you, Ryan. Next week we will talk about homeowners insurance. Again,
Yes.
two totally different things, you guys. So we'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.